Well, I think I missed a couple notes there, but I think that'll get you the general idea. I'd like to show you Death Letter Blues by Son House, which is a really interesting blues because it's not really a shuffle. It's played very close to straight time. Bang, bang, bang sort of thing. He uses his hands, right hand, and just strums straight across almost all the time. We can get a lot of the notes though. The one note we can't get though is when he first starts it, he starts with a low G. I'm tuned to G, by the way, G, D, G. And he goes G, F, G. So if we did it an octave higher, and then that's the lick, right? So what I did to try to approximate that, because we can't go lower than the G we have, is I go up here for that. Like that. Now you could hit it over here, but I thought the tonality was too much the same as that, but you're welcome to do it there. And of course you could always hit the 3rd fret, which so many people do. But there's so many songs that go like that, it's kind of nice to do a song that doesn't. And it's a very straight count, 1 and 2. That's your first riff. And then slide up to 3, 3 here. Right? Then up to 12. I missed that note again. There we go. Sooner or later, I'll get it right. Then you go to, it's a 12-bar blues. It's a little misleading at first because he starts with the turnaround, and the turnaround is the lick. Once he starts singing, though, you can tell. And he goes G, the G chord, to the low F note, which we don't have. So I'm going to hit it up here. And he plays a very strident with his hand like this. Like, I would do the whole thing with my hand like that, but for some reason this note doesn't come out unless I hit it with a thumb pick. Who knows why? That's the basic rhythm of the song while he's singing. And you do that 4 times. And then you move to the 4 chord, which is on the 5th fret. In this case, a C chord. And it's the same straight rhythm, and you can go right to your fingers now if you like, or a pick. And he just keeps it very, very straight. Play that for 4 beats, and then the next time you go 1 and 2. And then on 4 you go down and you do the lick again, which is also counted 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you're not playing a note on the and of 2. And then you go to the 5 chord. Same string, very strident. 4 chord. And he doesn't really mess around with any of the regular blues stuff. He's actually doing this with his guitar to get the, because he's tuned to open G with a low D note. And then you do the lick for the turnaround. And that's all there is to it. Just remember it's a 1 and 2. And you can choose a different note there. I just happen to like doing it like that. And then 1 and 2. As long as you keep, oh, sorry, that was 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 4. As long as you keep that sort of phrasing, it'll all work out. And it's very, very, very straight time. If you happen to be looking it up on YouTube, the one where he's just sitting in a chair by himself, it looks like he's playing by himself, but there's another guitar player in the background, and I found it really, really kind of interesting because the other guitar player, for some reason, while Son House is doing his turnaround, is going, and it's quite quiet, so I don't know if you notice it, but it sounds pretty weird. Anyway, thought I'd share that. Have a great day. Bye.